Welcome to this week's episode where we delve into one of the most captivating mysteries in art and history, the enigma of the Amber Room. Constructed in the early 18th century and often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, the Amber Room was an unparalleled masterpiece of art and craftsmanship. But what happened to this marvel during the chaos of World War II? Where could it be now? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on intriguing historical mysteries. And now, on History's Untold, the lost eighth wonder, the Amber Room. In the grand annals of history, few stories have captivated the collective imagination as much as the tale of the Amber Room. Created as a living embodiment of opulence, artistry, and craftsmanship, the Amber Room became an icon, not only of Russian heritage, but also as an irreplaceable piece of world art. Its story is an exhilarating blend of splendor, wartime looting, and enduring mystery. And even as scholars, treasure hunters, and history enthusiasts scramble to uncover its location, the Amber Room remains elusive, as if dissolving into the pages of a fabled legend. The tale begins in the early 18th century in the Prussian kingdom. Commissioned by Frederick I of Prussia, the room was designed by German craftsmen Andreas Schluter and Gottfried Wolfram, who initiated its construction in 1701. Originally planned for the Charlottenburg Palace, the room was relocated to the Berlin City Palace after Frederick V's death, where it found itself at the heart of Prussian royal life. Covering approximately 55 square meters, the Amber Room was a cornucopia of artistry. More than 6 tons of amber, the fossilized resin of prehistoric trees, was imported from the Baltic Sea to create this masterpiece. The amber was painstakingly carved and framed in gilded moldings, interlaced with mosaics made of semi-precious stones, forming complex floral and geometric patterns. Its walls literally glowed when lit, bathing the room in a golden, almost otherworldly aura. Over the years, several Russian czars became so enamored by its beauty that they deemed it the eighth wonder of the world. In 1716, to strengthen diplomatic ties between Russia and Prussia, the Amber Room was gifted to Peter the Great of Russia. Transporting it involved dismantling the room into individual panels and shipping them to Russia, an impressive undertaking given the era's technological limitations. In Russia, the Amber Room found its home in the Catherine Palace of Tsarskoye Selo, near St. Petersburg. It was here that Bartolomeo Rastrelli, the architect behind the Winter Palace, expanded and refurbished the room to suit the tastes of the Russian court. Primarily intended as a private meditation chamber for czars, the Amber Room later became a part of the larger royal assembly rooms where international dignitaries were hosted. For 2 centuries, it stood as a testament to European artisanship and Russian grandiosity. The Amber Room's splendor was short-lived. During World War II, as Nazi troops invaded the Soviet Union, they looted art and treasures, and the Amber Room was no exception. In 1941, German soldiers dismantled the room, packed it into crates, and transported it to Königsberg, now Kaliningrad, Russia. It was displayed in a museum there until 1943, after which it vanished from the public eye. Numerous theories have arisen regarding its disappearance. One suggests that it was destroyed during the Allied bombing of Königsberg in 1945. Another posits that it was hidden in a secret location by the retreating German army, a conjecture that has fueled numerous treasure hunts. Some even propose that it was smuggled out of the city and sold piecemeal, lost forever to private collectors. Yet none of these theories have been substantiated by tangible evidence. Despite its disappearance, the quest to find the Amber Room has never waned. Governments, private investigators, and amateur treasure hunters alike have joined the search. Several excavation projects have been initiated around Königsberg and its surrounding areas, some even extending as far as Germany. In the 1990s, the Russian and German governments organized joint investigations, driven by the newly fostered spirit of cooperation between the two nations. In 2003, a meticulous replica of the Amber Room was unveiled at the Catherine Palace, rekindling interest and capturing the imagination of a new generation. But the original still eludes discovery, maintaining its status as one of history's most tantalizing enigmas. The Amber Room is much more than a missing treasure. It's a symbol of the indomitable spirit of human creativity and an enduring testament to international cultural heritage. Its story is a rich tapestry of art, politics, war, and unyielding mystery, a story that has yet to find its final chapter. In the quest for the Amber Room, each dig, each newly uncovered clue adds another layer to its legend. And as the hunt continues, we can't help but wonder if this magnificent room will ever emerge from the shrouds of history to reclaim its place as the eighth wonder of the world. Whether it will be found or remain lost to history, the Amber Room, with its golden allure and fascinating journey through time, will forever hold a sacred space in our collective imagination. For those who seek it, the room is much more than panels and amber. It's a thrilling chase, a riddle wrapped in layers of history, and a narrative that is far from concluded. Thanks for tuning in on History's Untold. If you enjoyed today's episode and want to journey further into the fascinating corners of history, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we unearth another incredible story. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring, because history is filled with stories that are just waiting to be told. See you in the next episode.